Hey guys, Beer Biceps here. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something super exciting to talk about. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Chat GPT, an advanced AI developed by OpenAI. We'll explore how this incredible technology can help you make some serious cash, whether you're a freelancer, a content creator, or just someone looking to earn extra income. So, what exactly is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a super smart AI that uses machine learning to understand and generate human-like text. It can comprehend context, answer questions, and even engage in meaningful conversations, making it an incredibly versatile tool. Think of it as your personal writing assistant, but on steroids. It can help you draft emails, write essays, and even create compelling social media posts. But that's not all. Chat GPT can also write stories, articles, and even code. Imagine having a tool that can help you with your creative projects or technical tasks. This opens up a whole new world of opportunities to earn money online. You can offer writing services, create content for blogs, or even develop software with the help of Chat GPT. The possibilities are endless. You can use Chat GPT to brainstorm ideas, generate content, and even automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort. Setting up a profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and offering services powered by Chat GPT can be a game changer. With positive feedback and high ratings, you can build a reputation and attract more clients, leading to a steady stream of income. Imagine working from anywhere in the world, enjoying the freedom and flexibility of the digital nomad lifestyle, all thanks to Chat GPT. So, are you ready to become a Chat GPT pro and start earning? Let's dive deeper into how you can leverage this amazing technology to achieve your goals. Let's go. First up, freelance writing. Chat GPT can be your secret weapon. Need to write blog posts, website content, or even marketing copy? Chat GPT can do it all. It can generate high-quality content in minutes, saving you time and effort. Sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Offer your writing services powered by Chat GPT. Start earning. Are you an expert in a particular subject? Share your knowledge and earn money as a Chat GPT tutor. Chat GPT can help you create engaging learning materials. It can generate quizzes, write explanations, and even simulate conversations. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera are great places to sell your online courses. Use Chat GPT to create awesome content and attract more students. Businesses are always looking for ways to automate tasks. This is where Chat GPT comes in. You can use Chat GPT to create chatbots for businesses. These bots can handle customer inquiries, book appointments, and even process orders. Offer your chatbot development services on platforms like freelancer.com. Help businesses save time and money with the power of Chat GPT. Section 5. Creating engaging content. Chat GPT for interactive experiences. Want to create fun and engaging content? Chat GPT can help. Use Chat GPT to write interactive stories, quizzes, and games. These are great for social media, websites, and even mobile apps. Monetize your content through ads, subscriptions, or even in-app purchases. Get creative and let Chat GPT help you entertain and earn. Section 6. The future of work. Chat GPT and the gig economy. The gig economy is booming and Chat GPT is at the forefront. As technology continues to evolve, the way we work is also transforming. The traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only option for many people. Instead, the gig economy offers flexibility, autonomy, and the opportunity to work from anywhere in the world. More and more people are using Chat GPT to find freelance work and earn money online. Whether you're a writer, a graphic designer, a marketer, or even a virtual assistant, Chat GPT can connect you with clients who need your skills. The platform is designed to make it easy for freelancers to showcase their talents and find work that matches their expertise. teacher or developer, Chat GPT offers a wide range of opportunities. For educators, it can be a tool to provide personalized tutoring sessions to students around the globe. Developers can use it to collaborate on coding projects or even to find new clients for their software development services. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT can help you succeed in the gig economy. By leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, you can streamline your workflow, manage your projects more efficiently, and even automate some of the more tedious tasks. This allows you to focus on what you do best and deliver high-quality work to your clients. Embrace the future of work and leverage the power of AI to your advantage. The gig economy is not just a trend, it's a fundamental shift in how we think about work. With tools like ChatGPT, you can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing market demands, and build a successful freelance career. So, take the leap, explore the opportunities, and let ChatGPT be your guide in the ever-evolving gig economy. Section 7. Tips for Success. Maximizing your ChatGPT earnings. Now, here are some tips to maximize your ChatGPT earnings. First, always fact-check. Fact-checking is crucial because while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it is not infallible. It can generate content that seems accurate but may contain errors or outdated information. By verifying the facts, you ensure the quality and reliability of your work, which is essential for maintaining credibility and trust with your clients. While ChatGPT is powerful, it's important to double-check its output for accuracy. This means taking the time to review the generated content thoroughly. Look for any inconsistencies or inaccuracies and correct them. This extra step can make a significant difference in the quality of your final product. Remember, your reputation is on the line, and delivering accurate and polished work will help you build a strong client base. Second, add your personal touch. While ChatGPT can provide a solid foundation, it's your unique perspective and creativity that will set your work apart. Personalizing the content not only makes it more engaging, but also showcases your individual style and expertise. This can be particularly important in fields like writing, marketing, and content creation, where originality and a distinct voice are highly valued. Use ChatGPT as a starting point and add your own creativity and style to your work. Think of it as a collaborative partner that helps you brainstorm ideas and structure your content. From there, you can infuse your own insights, experiences, and flair to create something truly unique and compelling. This approach not only enhances the quality of your work, but also makes it more enjoyable and fulfilling. And third, market your skills. It's not enough to just create great content. You also need to let people know about it. Effective marketing is key to attracting clients and growing your business. Utilize various platforms and strategies to showcase your ChatGPT-powered services. This could include social media, professional networks, and even creating a portfolio website to highlight your best work. Promote your ChatGPT-powered services effectively to attract clients. Highlight the benefits of using AI in your work, such as increased efficiency and the ability to handle large volumes of content quickly. Share testimonials and case studies that demonstrate your success and the value you bring to your clients. By actively marketing your skills and leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can maximize your earnings and build a thriving business. Section 8. Ethical Considerations. Using ChatGPT responsibly. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Use ChatGPT ethically and avoid using it to create misleading or harmful content. Transparency is key. Be upfront about using ChatGPT and focus on delivering value to your clients. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to earning with ChatGPT begins now. So there you have it, guys. ChatGPT is a game changer. It's time to jump in and explore the endless possibilities. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your earnings grow. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind.